Hello guys, welcome back to Scratch, and today we are going to make something different from our previous projects. As we know, we have usually made a lot of games in the previous sections, but today and now we are going to make some logical and mathematical problems. Just like today we are going to make area and perimeter of different shapes. So today we will make area perimeter of square, and in the future we may trade some triangle, rectangle, and many other shapes. So let's just start with a simple shape square. So let's get started by always deleting the sprite. And as you can see, there's no sprite in the sprite section about the square, just except that squirrel. So we have to paint it right in the section. And so I'm gonna check that the outline should be at least 10, and this one red and a bit greenish, while this could be green right here, and this will be yellow. Not that much, yeah, that one. And take this rectangle or square one at the bottom and just do it like this. Not that exact square, just a bit like that. Looks like rectangle. So now it's perfect, and we will name this sprite as square. And let's be in the center of the stage, 0x 0y. So it's at the center of the stage, and now we can start coding. When the green flag is being clicked, let him introduce that. What's he going to tell? That I will tell you the perimeter and area of the square. Full stop. And now let's just say wait 1 second and then ask the user about what's not your name. We will ask him area or perimeter question mark. And now let's add an if-then clause. 2 if-then clause should be added, one for the perimeter, one for the area. So if first one I will do for the perimeter. If the answer is equals to perimeter, this one, then you have to ask, where is that if then? Then you have to ask, and then you have to ask enter the length. And we should remove the clause. I want to put it right here. And then you have to say join function would be added in this say hello one, and then say that the perimeter of this square is, now we will say multiplication sign, do it bit right here, and then answer multiply by 4. So this is gonna be the formula for the perimeter, right? So let's test our project for the perimeter once. Area perimeter, of course. Enter the length. I would enter 7. 28 should be the answer. The perimeter of this square is 28. So that's really good, as you know that it's working perfectly. So let's do just another one. If the answer is equals to, or what we can do is duplicate this one, so we don't have to code too much. Yeah, duplicate this whole thingy and just do a few changes. Area, enter the length, the area of this square is answer not multiply 4. And what you can do is, where's the multiplication sign? Right here. Answer multiply by answer, because it's square. So like that is the answer multiply by answer. So here we go. Then we have the problem for the whole. Now let's try the area one. I'll tell you the perimeter in every square. Area perimeter, area, enter the length, I will say 36 to be, yeah, the area square is 36. So hopefully we have to make the program of this area and perimeter of the square. It's a bit small, but it will be very funny. So we will be introducing more shapes and a lot of programming with maths, and we'll also introduce more games. Stay with us tuned, and we will see you another day. Hope to see the like and share the video. Also subscribe it, and we will see you next day. Goodbye, everyone.